Hi, this is Visual Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable specific notification app on MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Many users find notification to be valuable and useful. They keep you away from missing anything that might not be vital, but there are times when you want the notification to go away. So in this video, I will show you how to disable or turn off the specific notification app on your MacBook. How to do it is so simple. So first, you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. You can just click on your settings or system preferences on your MacBook. Here's click on System Preferences. Now you can go to some Notification and Focus. Here, you can choose on the app that you want to disable the notification. Maybe for the example, I will disable notification from Telegram. Here, you can choose on Telegram. And for the toggle on allow notification, you can just tap on the toggle, turn off, and disable like this. So now MacBook will not send you notification from the Telegram. You can also disable notification more than one app. For this example, I will choose from App Store. You can do the same thing like this. So simple, right? So that is how to disable notification from specific app on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!